Day 6 of the 12 Days of Christmas DIYs, and today we're making this chic ornament Christmas tree using Dollar Tree finds. It's perfect to add holiday charm to any room. Let's get started. I've always loved the look of modern ornament trees. I knew I could DIY something similar. This project is budget-friendly, easy to make, and customizable to fit your holiday style. Let me show you how I did it. For this project, I'm working with a small box and piece of board from Dollar Tree to create the base. Ornaments, I will paint black, brown, and beige for a modern vibe. Wood glue and hot glue to bring it all together. A star and lights to add holiday magic. It's just me, some glue, and a little creativity to make this happen. My goal? Turn these inexpensive materials into a beautiful ornament tree that looks high-end and fits perfectly with my holiday decor. First, I'll paint the ornaments and create a sturdy base. Then, I'll stack and glue the ornaments into a tree shape, finishing with a star and lights for a festive touch. I painted the ornaments in black, brown, and beige to match my neutral color palette. Using acrylic paint, I made sure each one had even coverage. It took about 2 to 3 coats for the best results. While the ornaments dried, I prepped the base. I painted the box and board in a matching color to give it a cohesive look. Then, glued them together with a wood glue to create a sturdy foundation. The biggest challenge? Gluing the ornaments together to create a balanced, tree-like shape. Starting with the bottom layer of 7 ornaments, I worked my way up, 6 ornaments on the next row, then 5, and so on. It's a little tricky to get everything aligned, but patience is key here. Once the tree was built, I added a gold star to the top and wrapped it in lights for that magical holiday glow. But then, the unexpected happened. The tree fell off. I decided to add some greenery so I could use more glue on the tree and give it better stability. And just like that, the transformation was complete. A modern ornament tree that looks like it came straight out of a designer catalog. In the end, this Dollar Tree project turned into something I'm so proud of. For under $20 and just a couple of hours, I created a holiday piece that's both chic and budget-friendly. This ornament tree is perfect for my kitchen, but it would look great in any small space or corner of your home. DIY projects like this remind me that you don't have to spend a lot to make your home feel festive and beautiful. Thanks for watching day 6 of my 12 Days of Christmas DIYs. Tomorrow, I'll be sharing day 7, where I'll show you how I'm skipping a traditional tree this year. See you then.